Hi, I'm Jess, and today I'm going to show you how to use your e-bike. First, let's look at the controls. On the right hand side you have your gears. Press this button to go up a gear, and this button to go down a gear. And here you have your front wheel brake. On the left hand side you have your controls for the battery. To switch it on, press the button at the top. As the screen turns on, you'll see your miles per hour displayed here, your range displayed below that, and your battery at the bottom. To increase the amount of assistance you have, press the plus button. To decrease the amount of assistance you have, press the minus button. Throughout your trip, keep an eye on your battery. You don't want to run out. And here you have the brake for the back wheel. And that's how the controls work. Now let's take a look at the back. Here you have your pannier. Inside you will find a few useful things. Firstly, you have your map. It shows you the area where you can take your e-bike, and it also has helpful tips of things to see and do. You've also got a padlock. We recommend using this whenever you leave the e-bike unattended. There is a card with the code and our contact details. Lastly, there is a repair kit should you need it. And that's it. Now you're ready to go and enjoy the local area. Have fun!